Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your device. Make sure the camera and mobile data or Wi-Fi are on and that you grant camera access to the app. Open the camera app or a QR scanner. Point it steadily at the Google Maps QR code so it fills about 1/3 of the screen. Once the code is recognized, you'll see a notification or link. Tap it immediately. This first action moves you from setup into the map preview and prevents blurry reads caused by movement. Once your camera shows the QR overlay, hold steady at roughly 6 to 12 inches so the autofocus locks. If nothing appears, tap the screen where the code is. That forces focus and triggers recognition. When a link card appears, press it. This opens Google Maps or a browser preview. Choose Google Maps for full directions. Make sure to allow location permissions if asked, because Maps uses your position to calculate routes, estimated times, and alternate transit options. After the map loads, tap Directions and select Driving, Walking, Transit, or Cycling. This sets the route and ETA. Then press Start to begin turn-by-turn navigation. Make any adjustments such as avoiding tolls if needed. If the QR scan fails, try simple fixes. Wipe the camera lens, increase ambient light, or move slightly farther back. If the link still won't open, take a photo of the QR and use a dedicated scanner app or upload the image to a QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.